welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be doing kind of like a trying new products, but I'm really going to be focusing on complexion. I have been trying a different way of me doing my complexion, like my foundation and everything like that, which works amazing, I might say, for those who have textured skin. So before we get into that, the new products that I am going to be trying out are the Anastasia Beverly Hills liner, their new liquid liner, as well as their new shades for their loose highlighters. So I just got these in PR and I thought, you know what, let's use them in a video and everything. I am still waiting for foundation. I am waiting for the foundations and the powder, and I am gonna do a review for those you guys, so just hold on tight. When I get it, I'll definitely film and let you guys know my thoughts and everything. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, what I thought of the new products, but most importantly my new foundation routine, then please stick around and stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we are starting this video with eyes already pretty much almost done, just because I want to really focus on two of the new products that I'm going to be trying out in this video for you guys, as well as focusing on skin. If you haven't already noticed, I've been doing a lot more like how-to videos and everything like that. So I thought, you know what, why not, while I'm trying out these new products, show you guys how I like cream contour and talk about positioning and everything like that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So the first product that I'm gonna try out, just because I want to try to hurry up and finish the eyes, is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the PR package, which is super pretty and dope. But they are releasing a eyeliner, you guys, a liquid eyeliner. So I have the notes here about the eyeliner, just so you guys know. So this is a liquid eyeliner. It has a unique packaging, so it can help you pretty much just find your favorite eyeliner without having to dig through all of the black, colored eyeliners that we have in our stash. So the liner is waterproof, ultra black, matte. Oh my gosh, matte, and it's vegan. The liner is going to retail for $18, and it'll be available August 6th on ABH's website, and in-store and online all US retailers August 15th, and online and in-store international retailers August 16th. So I'm gonna just do a little swatchy for you guys. So the way the liner is, it is a felt tip, but so these are just some swatches for you guys. It is a felt tip, but the way Norvina made this felt tip, it's like it glides as if it's like a brush. So I really like that. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just actually going to go ahead and try to create a nice little wing, because you guys don't know, kind of suck at liner. To be so noticeable and just Okay, so another point I want to make with this liner is that it did not mix with the shimmer shadow. I hate using liquid liner and it mixes with the shimmer shadow. Like it just mixes together, and then next thing you know, your liner is shiny. So I'm so happy that this is not the case for this liner, and it's already dry, super matte. And again, like I said, I have wrinkly eyelids, so it's very easy to mess up, to get jagged lines, to get cracking and everything like that, and it's not even cracking. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and then we'll move on to the face. Alright you guys, so I have lashes on. Both liners are done. I got them close as possible to each other. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to take my Cover FX blurring primer. This is what it looks like here. And I'm going to put this in my T-zone. Now the reason why I'm doing this is to make sure that my pores are minimized, okay? This stuff is so good. I love Cover FX. And then as always, I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to put this in the rest of the face. So what I'm going to also do is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty, what is this called? The Pro Filter powder. And this is in the shade Butter. And I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge here. I'm just going to, pat the excess off. And I'm just going to press this into the areas that I get mostly oily. And this is just, another way of prepping the skin, minimizing pores before we go in with all the liquids that we're going to use. And this is a technique that I learned from Jackie Aina. She uses her powder as like a primer with the powder right now. Okay, so the foundation that I'm going to be using is going to be the Fenty Beauty. We're going to be using Fenty Beauty on the face. I love her complexion products, like they're just absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be using the shade 220, but I'm also going to mix just a tad bit of 310, I believe. Yeah, 310, just to give it a little bit more warmness to it, just because I am getting like a little tan, so I don't want it to be too light. I'm actually going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and I'm using the shade 210. And a little of this stuff goes a long way. You don't need too much. So I'm just going to pretty much apply where I didn't apply the foundation, and also to help conceal any other areas. Alright you guys, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. This is absolutely amazing. I love this product so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this there, here, a little bit here. And I'm not going to use a sponge to put this out. I'm actually going to use a brush. And the brush that I'm going to be using is the Makeup Shack T31 brush. So I'm just going to start off at the chin area first. just melts right into the skin, which is exactly what we want. And I'm just gonna pat until I get that blend that I want. And I'm patting in its place, not going ham. Gonna lift it up. I'll go a little bit underneath so that there's no like harsh line and there is more of a blurred effect. On my nose and on my forehead, and bam, look at that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my Morphe setting spray, and I like to set the face. I think I'm completely out of that one. And by doing that, I am melting all of the powders together, so anything that look powdery and cakey, that look is completely gone. Now everything looks nice and smooth and buttery. Okay, so now majority of the face is pretty much done. I'm gonna show you guys the new shades from ABH. These are the loose highlighters. This is what they look like here in the packaging. So we have Vegas and Peach Fizz. So let me grab the information for you guys. Okay, so Vegas is a white gold shade and Peach Fizz is a golden peach shade. This is going to be on ABH website August 6th. Domestic, online only, August 15th, and international boutiques, August 16th. So that's the information on that. And I'm actually going to use both today. I'm going to use a little bit of Peach Fizz to help with the blush. And I'm going to use Vegas more so like to hit the high points of my cheeks. So let's get some in the cap. And I'm going to take Peach Fizz. Now let me just swatch it for you guys so you can see the color. I don't know if you guys can see it swatched horribly. That is it there. So I'm just going to take, I think I took a little bit too much. And we're going to hit right in this area. Can you guys see that? That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is gorgeous. Next we're going to do Vegas. Got a lot more out of Vegas than Peach Fizz. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this one for you guys. Yeah, this one's definitely like a white gold. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Hopefully you could. But that's it there. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this and then just apply this more so to the high points of the face, so in this area. So I don't know if you guys can, so camera decided to cut off when I was applying Vegas, but Vegas is here. I have it on top of my nose, mainly like the actual high points. I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the two, but this one's more peachy and then this one's definitely like white gold. So I'm just gonna do my lips and then this look will be done. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I love this highlighter, you guys. I love this highlighter. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And that wing, you guys. Okay, now on this one here, the shadow did mix with the liner, but it's not bad and it's not even noticeable. I would say that it has not cracked or anything like that. I am super happy with that because I cannot ever find a liner that just doesn't crack or doesn't bleed or anything, and this one definitely doesn't. These highlighters, come on, seriously, let's be real. I just, you know, they poppin', period. Okay. I can't wait to get the foundations. When I get the foundations, I will definitely do a foundation review for you guys and a wear test and all that good stuff, because I've been noticing that you guys are actually really into the newer releases when it comes to foundations. So yeah, I'll keep on doing that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below. Let me know what you think of the highlighter and the liner and my new complexion situation routine, and I'll continue to, you know, give you guys, you know, tips and tricks and everything like that. So yeah, make sure you guys are following me on my social medias, my other social medias as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one.